So I stayed up pretty late last night editing the YouTube video for yesterday. Didn't finish it. Got up this morning at 6:30. Banged it out quick. It's 8:15 now. Going out riding. Gonna go meet Kyle, Nick, Borch, and I don't know who else. And yeah, should be another good day. I'm feeling a little tired this morning though. A little dizzy.
Very nice.
Very nice. How much?
Yeah, 27 is definitely too low for your beacon. I should have changed it at like 50. That's better.
I still like to have a little bit lower of a bar. That neutral
Talking
stance
bar
with
set
just
up
a
over
slight
here
bend in the knee and
in the
arms nice and
CFR
straight. That gives
page.
you kind of your best point of height for your bar.
Yeah.
I like a narrow.
All right, we're heading up undisclosed location today. We got Borch, we got Nick, we got Carter, myself, Kyle, and then 2 other guys, which I already forgot their names. They're really good with names. What are you doing? Explain yourself.
See that mark right there? That's it.
That stopped you dead.
That there's a hard snow.
Yeah. Nice thing about the low bar setup also is you seen Cody fly off his sled there. Nothing caught him. He just scorpioned over the sled and good to go. Look at that teamwork.
Perfect. Thank you. doggy again.
We got Borch on the cat. Kyle on the Polaris. Definitely doesn't look as playful as a cat.
That hop over probably really helps if you can get him into a wheelie, eh?
Yeah. Like really.
My bow ties are like.
Polaris getting in some trouble here, or what?
Yeah, I'm making the switch. It's official. Brakes on, all this stuff.
Oh yeah. Kyle, you planting at a tree there, buddy? That's not a rut at all. Pull steering. Oh, thanks, guys. Oh, man. be great to skip all this trail and just appear at the truck. Fun day ripping the trees with these guys. It's cool getting out to ride with so many different people. Curious to know how many people I've rode with this year. 2018 I rode with over 30 different people, and last year I rode with over 50 different people. And then this year I doubled my time here, so maybe I'm sitting around 100 people. Really cool to, I'll try and count it up at the end of the year and see. Had a solid day out there.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. It's like 6:30 and I'm already done. I think that's the earliest I've ever finished one. But pretty good day out there, ripping the trees. Yeah, that's awesome. Tomorrow should be a pretty interesting day, I think. These guys want to send it big. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.